चिबिनी चिबिनी तो साथ आऊं वही रसे रचिया
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a vlog of my first staycation of this year after this pandemic. I hope you are going to enjoy watching with me.
Hi guys, so time is around 9 a.m. and we are going for the first vacation or staycation of this year filled with Corona. It's a surprise location for Abhi and I'm traveling with my sister. It's around 2 hours from Bhubaneswar and let's see, come and travel with me.
So the looks really picturesque and beautiful towards Konark, Puri Konark. It is one of the major tourist destinations in Odisha, and the destination or the resort that we are going to stay is a surprise for Abhi. I had planned this during his birthday, but somehow we kept on delaying this trip, and we are just about to reach. The journey from my place took around 1 hour and 40 minutes. So we are going past the huge Konark Sun Temple here, something which my camera could not capture, but this is that area where you can see the great Sun Temple of Konark crossing through the roads. I'm very excited about how this place is going to be, how this vacation is going to be. Also, this is the first time I traveled anywhere without Uno. Maybe even if I have never left him alone. So let's see. Say something.
Hello, hi.
We are near the beach.
Let's go and see.
So this is the Chandrabhaga beach, very famous for its sunrise and sunset. There's a big story attached for Konark and Chandrabhaga. So here I am. So the resort that you see is Wild Dunes Resort, Konark. This is a picturesque boutique resort located near Ramchandi, past Ramchandi, on the banks of Kushabhadra. At the first look, the resort seems quite good, picturesque and beautiful. I will review about all the facilities and about the food in the later part of this video. I was also elated to see how this cottage and village style resort looked like. The ambience was really good and nice, and stroll, it was a nice property, although it was a Sunday, so it was slightly crowded, mostly because of lunch and fooding, but all in all it was a good and beautiful place to spend a day. That's what it looks like at this point of time.
So now Abhi is going to tell you how he felt about this place. This was his.
बहुत अच्छा है. This is really nice. I didn't know this is such a place in Odisha. Nice experience.
Here we are at the lunch. We already had lot of sumptuous starters and ये main course भी आ गया है, which 3 of us are going to share. It's a nice place. As you can see, there are trees around and there's no noise like in cities. You can hear to the chirping of the birds and just unwind and relax. I've just switched on to the hashtag vacay mode.
So now, so there's a river mouth near this resort. I'm just walking towards that. Come with me. So this is the place, the view behind me, and you can see it's an awesome Kushabhadra river, and we are trying to go boating there. Let's see how it turns out. The view is just awesome.
What are you up to, Abhi and Rima? We are at Konark, which is near Puri, and because we could not visit the Lord this time, so they are trying to make Jagannath temple here, resembling Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra, and it's so great that they are exploring kids within them. What are you doing?
Just
Oh.
trying my hands on sand art.
And she has written Jai Jagannath in Odia. This place is world famous for its iconic sunset, and I cannot express in words how beautiful it was. Pictures won't do it justice here. So we are ready for the bonfire, and this is the place, and my sister is already going. Abhi is also there. So it looks cute. It looks nice. It's slightly chilly, not very chilly, but I want to show you the ambience of this place, which is great. And also it is not crowded, and it's a private bonfire, so I'm pretty much liking it. So guys, this is our hot sizzling dinner, and bonfire is going to end. We are just loving it. What a wonderful experience. Pictures next day morning on the river bank, we started towards Bhubaneswar. Overall, I would rate the property 3 out of 5. The facilities are good, but the service was poor and the food was super pricey for what we got. I hope you enjoyed today's video. This is Fit Techie Mom. I make videos on exercise, fitness, diet tips and much more. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you like this content, and do hit the like button. You can also look at all these videos available on my channel. I speak on mental well-being and physical well-being together. You can also choose to follow me on Instagram at Fit Techie Mom.